Welcome to Cretaceous Wildlife Government.
We have excited for your first job at Cretaceous Wildlife Government.
Today, you have started everything. As a soldier. Cretaceous Wildlife Government is and Dinosaur Community Foundation. Where dinosaurs had come back to life in 2011. This is your leader speaking to you. Leader Hamselt. Of course, we have the owner and founder of this foundation, John Quilmers. We have ranks of Cretaceous Wildlife Government. Basic unit soldier. A soldier that watches all the dinosaurs. Protector of dinosaurs. And paralyzed dinosaurs with a 2-hour long tranquilizer. Professional unit soldier. A soldier that is a commander of the basic unit soldier. The leaders, commanding every soldier, whatever they do. And finally, at last, the admirals, the commander of every unit or rank, and the strong lieutenants of John Quilmers. These are the basic rules of observing prehistoric wildlife. 1. Do not paralyze any herbivore, omnivore, as they are minding their own business. 2. Guard the attacked dinosaur. As there's a carnivore nearby. 3. Listen to the leader's missions. Do what they wanted. 4. Save people's lives. 5. Enjoy with your job. And now, for the last words for this tutorial. Good luck.